Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Zoho Assist on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now scroll down and select this website right here. Now log into your account right here. After that select this profile icon and now select Access Zoho CRM. After coming on the home page, you guys will need to select this settings icon right here. Now go with this Zoho option right here. Now scroll down. Now you see this section of Zoho Assist right here. Now select its Setup Now button and select these two options right here. And now select Continue to install. Now choose one of these options and after that click on Confirm button. So after that you guys will get on this page right here and now you have to select this escape button right here, and just like this now you guys have successfully set up your Zoho Assist on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and thanks for watching.